Yo guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Spyro and I'm a forex trader. Should I say forex trader or a beginner forex trader? No, that is by the way. Yeah, I have been trading forex for a while now, and I tried several pro firms accounts, but Charlie, it didn't work out. It didn't work out. It didn't work out. I will not lie you. But I think I was doing some things wrongly. But right now, I think I've got it right. Should I say I've got it right, or I've learned some lessons, try to implement some things in my strategy and in my trading plans. And I think I need to record this journey because I believe this time around I'm gonna be successful. Trust me, this journey is going to be very you are going to like it. I will not lie, you are going to like it. That's why I want you to subscribe to this channel. I've got a prop firm that I want to start trading it. Seriously, I've started trading it, but it is in a drawdown. Seriously. And I know I am going to come out from the drawdown to pass this challenge. It is a two-step verification account. I believe I'm going to pass this challenge account. So Charlie, like this video. This is a journey that I want to take with you. So like this video and subscribe to this channel. Or what I am going to be doing with this account, every strat or every setup, I'm going to share it in my Telegram group. It is a free Telegram group. You can join it in my check in my description. You can join it there, or you check on my the Instagram page. You are going to see the group description there, or the group link there. You join it from there, and all the trades I'm going to be taking, I don't know if I'll be able to analyze the trades here or to bring the setups here, but I'll make sure all the trades I'll be taking, I'm going to document and share the videos here. But the setups and the time to call the trades will be in the Telegram group. So if you want to partake with this in this journey with me, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let's go on and make billions from this forex market. Thank you, and see you at the other side. Thank you. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you the tools I'm going to be using to analyze and to execute my trades. First of all, my phone is here and my laptop is here, and I'm going to be showing you the website that I use in backtesting, the website I use in analyzing, the website I use in calculating my pips, and to know the risk management, how to manage the risk management, or how to manage my risk. So guys, let's dive to my screen so that I will show you the tools I'm gonna be using in this journey. So follow me to the screen and let's do that. So I use TradingView in analyzing my trades. I use TradingView, and I like TradingView because it gives you the broader part of the market. You are going to see everything in details, and you can analyze the trades per your strategy. So I'm going to be using TradingView, and I'm also going to be using Go Charting. And I also like Go Charting because of its replay mode. In Go Charting you can replay, and I use that in back testing. Or I can say, if you want to replay, you just double click here, come to any portion, then you click double click, you say that all is gone. If I want to play, I just have to hit the play button. You see that it is the market is moving, as you can see. If I want to increase, I just have to shift this bar here. If I shift the bar to, then it will be going faster. Or no, I think that is lower. Okay, as you can see, if you increase it to the left, it will increase going faster, but increase it to the right, it will be going slower. So I also like Go Charting. You can check it out, guys. Go Charting will help you in back testing for free
You are not going to pay anything. And I'm also going to be using this website, position size calculator, to calculate my the lot size that I'm supposed to be using on this challenge. I'm going to be trading the currencies going. If you want to, let me show you quickly. If you want to calculate the lot size that you should be using. So if you are trading a currency, a USD currency, you just have to hit, and as I said, it is position size calculator. So the name is here, position size calculator. So you just hit that on your Google search bar, and it is going to lead you to this page. So you come down here, you change the currency to the one you are trading. If you are trading USD, change it to USD, Euro, JPY, GBP, and CHF. So if you are trading any, then you change the currency to that. I'm trading hot USD, so the currency is going to be in USD. The account size that you are trading, so in this case mine is 10k. So the risk percentage, if you are raising 1%, you put 1% there. If you are raising 0.5, you put 0.5, and I'm going to be risking between 0.5 and 1% of the account. So 0.5%, and the pip loss, my maximum pip stop loss is going to be 20 pips, maximum 20 pips. I'm not going to be risking more than 20 pips. Any trade that is more than 20 pips, I'm not going to take the trade. Simple as ABC. I'm not going to take the trade. I rather take the trade in my demo account than to risk more than 20 pips. So the currency pair that you are going to be trading, can hit here, change it to the currency pair that you are trading. Maybe let me put GBP USD. Then you hit on calculate. So it's going to show you the lot size that you should be using and the amount you are at risk. So trading a 10k account and risking 20 pips, I'm going to lose 50 USD by risking 0.5 of the account. So I'm risking 0.5 of the account. If the trade hit my stop loss, which is 20 pips, I'm going to be losing $50. I hope you understand. This is very simple. And the lot size I'm supposed to use to make this possible is 0.25 lot size per standard lot. So if I'm using 0.25 and the trade hit my stop loss, I'm going to lose $50. But if I'm using 0.5 and the trade go in favor of me, 20 pips, I'm going to get $20. 40 pips for $100. 60 pips, $150. I hope you understand, and this is very simple. So guys, these are the tools I'm going to be using, and my Telegram group too. I'm going to be posting a lot over there. My Instagram too, I'm going to be posting a lot on my Instagram reels and posts. So guys, you can check the link in my description to follow or join my Telegram group, and you can also follow me on Instagram to keep update in this journey. So guys, let's make this possible. Let's make this work. Let's follow and know how this is gonna be. Like I said, this account is in a drawdown. I can show you, but I think I will have to wait till Monday when I'm about to start the trade. I'll show you the prop firm that I am executing trades on. So guys, if you like this video, or if you think this content is gonna help you as a beginner, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the post notification. Anytime I post a new video, you are going to be the first person to be notified. And until Monday that we start our first trade, I tell you peace out and meet you at the other side. Bye bye.